Steele line, Barrington and Steele.
Go ahead.
Arkansas 787 Tontitown X-ray. It's a light green Saturn passenger car. Occupied twice. Looks like you may be trying to hide something underneath the driver's seat.
Stay forward.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Jesus! Shots fired, County. Shots fired, kid! County, I need units now! County, he's fleeing in a vehicle at eastbound on Steele. Except for I got a white female just got out. She's walking southbound off of Steele. You good? I'm good. I'm good. Stay in your house.
Am I good to go through?
Yeah, get out of here. Hey! Come here! Keep your f***ing hands up, too! 1050. I got the female walking toward me. Keep your hands up! 10-4. Negative, I was not hit. My vehicle, it's got a bunch of bullet holes in it, but I'm good. Ten-4, no injury. Keep your hands up. Who's that with you?
That was my boyfriend, but I haven't seen a cop now.
Why'd he pull a gun on me?
I swear I have no clue.
What the hell is he doing?
I don't know. I don't know.
Get on your knees.
Yes.
Alright, put that down. Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't have anything on me but
Alright, I'm going to put you in handcuffs because I don't know what I'm dealing with. Are you hit? Are you okay?
I'm just really scared and shaken up.
Okay.
Are you?
Alright, sit down. $10.50.
Good?
I'm good. Okay. I'm good. He took off that way in the vehicle.
It's a like a light green, gray passenger car.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit. Feet out. Feet out. Turn around.
Yeah.
I know. I'm checking you. All right.
There's a light green, grayish Saturn passenger car. It's a Hispanic male. He's got facial hair. He's wearing a hat. What kind of pants was he wearing?
Tan? Like khaki?
Tan pants. He had a black Code 1 pistol.